Came in, you see what that shit, Jags. It's Mardi Gras time, it's been raining and all. 4:30. Cutlass still dirty. But yeah. Been working on it for like 2 days now. Rain been stopping me, but just how it look now. Move this box out the way. Yeah. The new Edelbrock intake. Shout out to Jags. Edelbrock carburetor. See that? I got that 1-inch spacer. That bitch looks so good. The motor look nice. Still got more. Should be done though. For real. If it don't rain tomorrow and I ain't gotta work, oh yeah, this bitch gonna be running. Yeah, you know. Mind all these wires and shit. Wire starters shit still gotta be hooked up. Everything on. All of it. Fuck, that's just a fucking pretty ass look. Just pop my fucking hood and that bitch is nice. Like I said, man, shout out to Jakes for real. Y'all hooked me up. Y'all hooked me up real talk. Shout out to BUGTV, 405, Fox, 787 boy, all y'all. I'm about to get up with y'all boys. Y'all ain't nothing but only one state over. Yeah, this just a little motor update. It's coming along though. It's gonna be ready.